Live. Okay. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's get the disclaimer out of the way. Any and all information discussed here is for entertainment purposes only and should not be considered tax advice, legal advice, or investment advice. A referral to a commodity is not an indication to buy or sell the commodity. Day trading is inherently risky and most traders lose money. Past results and current results are not any indication for future results. Now, that being said, I hope everybody's having a great morning. Powell speaks at 10. Well, I think I'm shot then. If I can't get a trade popped off before 10, I think I'm shot. So that's great. I'm sorry, guys. Alright. That's definitely not what I wanted to do. Come back. Let's get this. Let's enlarge that. I feel like I'm always trying something different, and it's starting to get annoying, I'll be honest with you. Celtic channels. Close that. Get that out of my way. So, yesterday, pullback, and we closed pretty bullish considering the wick that's on here. And then we opened and dropped. So, today most likely is a continuation of trades to the downside. Let's get down to the hourly. Let's hide that. Let's hide this. This was tapped almost perfectly yesterday. Look at that. Came right above out of the chart by just a little bit and then snap back in. Which means that's used. I believe that these two are these pullbacks. Yep. Nope. Must have been this pullback. Yep. Put that back. Let's see where did we close yesterday? Here. And then our overnight lows is there. It's there. We're opening here. Since that's the case, we're probably gonna open, go up, test the overnight highs, and then tank. 60 points, yeah. All right. There's no real other swing high besides this one, but I think that was tapped. I mean, yeah, it didn't come into it, but those are my fit points. See that come up here and then tank out. All right. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's going to be a continuation of the down direction. We're unfolding right there, and then we're extending out. Okay. Let's check the ES. Back to the daily. Yeah, I mean, we came in and then pulled out, and then now that's where we at. Let's drop down to the 1 hour. Oh wait, no, that's yesterday's high, not close. The close was here. Yep. And then that's the high. Alright, there's that. I mean, what are you, what are we yelling at me for? What? Okay. Well, that just made me lose. Oh, there we go. That made me lose all my thought. That was used already. And so is this. It hit. I mean, most likely we're going to continue down. Yeah, we're going to keep going down. Like I said, it might open and then try to test the tops of this and then fail. This is 20 points, so that could be a thing. It's not that big of a jump for it to do that. Okay. Pretty quick today. Okay. My chart feels so naked with just the 1 EMA on it. That's... Okay. I'm gonna. Well, I don't know what to do now. That didn't really take long because it was just remodifying what the stuff from yesterday, and we've pretty much just been doing straight down shot over the course of the past 2 hours, 3 hours. So, with that being the case, and this massive spike because of news, I don't know. What is Powell gonna be talking about? That's so he's talking to Congress about increasing interest rates again. Okay. It's they're literally just gonna sit down and talk about it. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. Today is just gonna be like a really nice, quiet day. Not much going on. About to put on some music, and we're just gonna chill out, you know. Just gonna chill. Oh, that is loud. Okay. honestly, I'm not really happy with my analysis today. I feel like there's something more to this than I saw. So I'm gonna zoom this out, jump down to the 1 hour, and then we'll see. There's a resistance line here. Not really a demand zone, but like a demand zone. Obviously there's this massive one here. And then this was a contract flip. So like the gap excuse me, the gap between this and this with the contract flip makes this a little difficult to see. This is a current contract, so we could potentially look at it that way. I have this flip. Interesting. Yeah, I'm trying to see what other area we can really use. There's not really anything here, to be honest. Well, correction, there is, technically speaking. That's like a 60-point move. And most of the thing is here at 5:15:12. And then that resistance line there. And at 60. Is he out of that? If it falls below out of 60, it's kind of just free falling. And we'll see where it goes from there, but we'll give it a couple weeks of that. This is bearish on the 10, but bullish off of the 200. This is not. Okay. Today might be a really short stream. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So now we just gotta chill out for the next 10 minutes or so. Where the hell did all these orders come from? I mean, this is a 5-minute candle, so. Golly. Oh, there's 5 minutes left before the market opens. So I'm going to do things a little bit different today. I say a little bit different. No, it's the same. I'm just going to have to control myself and my trading, especially my risk management. Yeah. So we're going to be using the ATR off of this here to manage my risk. That way that we can not just throw money around like I did yesterday or the past couple of weeks, this past whole month, really. It was just bad. It was really bad trading on my part, but alongside that, it was horrible risk management. And I thought I could cheat the system by like risking a lot at the top of the market, but risking anything at reversals are the most high risk, high reward type of trades. Right? You can make a lot of money hitting reversals, but you can also lose a lot of money. So if your risk management isn't on point, you kind of screw yourself, which is what I did. So from now on, or at least until we get this back above the 50K mark, I have to hit 53K. So I essentially need to make $4,000. So in order for us to do that, I'm going to use the ATR as not only a stop, but a way to position myself or get the right amount of contracts. So until we hit 50K, I'm risking $200 per trade. That gives me 6 trades before I lose out completely. 6 losing trades in a row before I'm done. Now, I'm always going for a 3-to-1. So if I'm risking 200 to make 600, one good trade will get me above. I'm not going to scale in or out. It's a full on hit. And then that's that on that. I may potentially trail once it hits 2-to-1, because I don't want to go to 2. It's getting pulled up to break even plus a point just to cover my my commission costs, but yeah. So we'll see. This looks like a pretty solid way to right here. 30 seconds before market starts. at the bottom of the market. Most likely we're going to gap up to yesterday's close. I really see this. Wow, okay. That don't look right. That don't feel right. It looks like there's a lot of sellers that are included in, but it feels like it's about to flop on us. I'm gonna wait for a confirmation that that's what's happening here. Oof. Yeah. Alright, on the next pullback, I'm entering a long position.
Order filled. Order submitted.
And then this gets pulled back 2 points. In reality, this was the pullback I was looking for. But it literally got right back to break even before it starts to push. Now the question is, do we have enough for it to fully push up? Might not.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Damn. 189 on that. You know, remember when I said I'm gonna wait for a pullback? That was my pullback. That was my pullback. But we'll see. This might just be a little bit of a chop sideways and then full on tank down. Also, in reality, I should have probably bought when it got lower. That's really unfortunate. Yeah, the market keeps going down. This keeps going up. It looks like it's gonna reverse up to the high of day. I I thought it would have happened by now. I would have thought that it would have slapped that and then came back. Oof. Long wicks. That sucks because I was at a high of 116. That's 7 contracts. It's holding support, but it's slightly increasing upwards. I'm looking at this channel here. I believe this might. Yeah, I definitely should have bought. I felt that. I saw it. I saw the breakout happen. Let's see what it does at the top of that range. It might get slapped. If it fails to make a new high, then I think I might have to short this. When it breaks a new low. Here it's showing me a double bottom and then an increase. Like, the indicators are showing me that it's signs of a reversal. We're in the middle of chop, so I want to enter a short position. But it also looks like the market wants to go up. It's just chop, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna sit on my fingers and I'm gonna wait. We're in a tight range. If it breaks the low, I'm shorting. If it breaks the high, I'm going long. That's kind of where I'm looking at it. Because if it breaks the high, right, there's all these orders here from this. In hindsight, that was pretty dumb of me. I probably should have grabbed the long down here at 80 or whatever. But there were all these orders that happened overnight that just went straight down. So, you know, the wicks are getting higher. Yeah, I feel like my stop was a little too tight on this, but I also am not gonna risk 30 points. You know what I'm saying? It kind of sucks that it was just right here, but like if I didn't put my stop here, then it would be down here, and I'm not risking that. Now, again, we're gonna see what happens up here, because so far, no bueno. Straight chop. This feels like a long. I want to see how this candle closes. On both sides. I feel like I'm not entering here because I got burned off of this one. There's a pretty solid support here. Let's see if it breaks this one. Okay. Who was it? Wyckoff said that sometimes when it's one big push before it launches back. I mean, it's made a new low on Delta, which means that there's a divergence between that, you know. that was a really quick down and wait for the pullback. Is there going to be a pullback? I don't know if there's going to be a pullback.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
I'm going to be so mad if this fails. And I should have waited for a pullback. This says it's 45 is here. That's so unfortunate right now. I'm gonna wait it out. Okay. I mean, I see it dropping to here. Maybe not all the way down there. Definitely should have entered it here, 4 points higher. But this looks like it's working. I want a big push down, and then I'll be okay with it. looks like it's accumulating a lot of orders. Again, I feel like I joined too late, but I'll give it one more second. See how it closes.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Watch it do what I thought it was gonna do, but I got too anxious about it. I got too anxious, I'll be honest with you. The fact that it made this double low here and didn't want to go down. This is gonna be the candle that it cracks right through it, right? Yeah. See, I jumped on this. I should have waited and entered it here. And it's doing it. That is such... That's me. That was my fault. Slowly eating through all of these orders from yesterday. And then after that one, there's nothing. And all these order clusters. And then it's got nothing till this cluster here. Yeah, so when instead of me 56, 20 points. That's really unfortunate. I see it having trouble here, but I should have waited it. I should have moved my stop to break even. $46 on both of those. No, I lied. 54 minus the commission costs. Which, see, this is where I should have pulled it out. I like I said, that was my own That was me getting really anxious. I should have moved to break even. I should have moved to break even plus a point. And I didn't. This was, this was just unfortunate. I entered much lower than I should have put a stop here, because that's really what I wanted to enter. And it looks like we're at the bottom of the market. Does it mean that this has some more to go? Probably. This might pull back up a little. I'm hoping to this cluster here, or this cluster here on the volume, at which point I might look for another short. That looks really strong though. Of course I entered when there was really low volatility, really low volume. Love that. But the fact that the volume dropped that much, and then most of this volume was probably on it coming back up, but with no follow through. This is about to hit my take profit, and I'm gonna be really fucking mad, because on a trade I could have made $600, I made 50 bucks. Yep. Wow. Wow. Okay. That's unfortunate. That's timing. That is absolutely horrible timing, because when I entered it as it was falling. I should have waited for the pullback and fail. This is where I should have entered. And then that's where my take profit should have been. But because of how strong this dropped, it was full on FOMO. And because of the FOMO, I missed out on this one. No, it's really overextended. Let's see where VWAP is. relapse here. That is the most irritating thing on the planet, because that would have worked perfectly. And I should not have gotten out. It was a little dicey here. But when it failed, that should have been my entry, but also that should have been my idea of being like, oh, okay, bet. You know what? Instead of having my stop loss all the way up here at 84, let me bring it down to a couple points. And then when this failed, right, so I'd be risking a little bit less. Obviously it's not risking, it's only 3 points, but like 3 points is still 3 points. I'm just really mad at this working and me getting out because I got way too anxious about this. And now we're in a supply zone. Which, by the way, I should have entered. At the fail of this. And this continues to go down. That makes a lot of sense. Do I enter a scalp to the lows? I feel like I should wait because this is a supply zone. I want to see this come down a little bit deeper and then fail.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna have to close that out.
Order canceled.
Yeah. was a tick off. That's fine. At the pullback of this, I can enter along. See, this is the part where it's like, this looks like a really bearish candle. So do I go for a short here?
Order submitted.
filled.
And then for a quick scalp? I really just entered that. Honestly,
Order filled.
filled.
I don't know. I pressed reverse on that. Wow, that was bad. Did I really just hit reverse? I hit reverse and lost $30. Nice. Nice. So I was originally right about this one being just a short down to the new lows. I meant to close, by the way. I did not mean for it to reverse. Right. Alright, I'm done. I have to go.